Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 10 and I'm gonna show you how to change these straps on this smart band. First, if you want to change these straps, you will need to remove the old ones, and to do it you need to grab your smart band, pick it up and flip it around. And on the back of the smart band you will see that on each side you have these buttons. And basically, to remove the strap you need to press on the button, and once you press on it, it will release the mechanism and you can pull out the strap. It's quite simple. And here we have our strap, and we can remove the second one, pressing the button and removing the strap. Two straps and the smart band. And once you get, let's say, new straps and you want to put them back on, you simply grab the strap, grab the smart band, you take the strap, you put those two pins inside of the smart band. Right here you have two holes, you just put them in like this, and once they click in they will hold. Quite simple. Same for the other side, like this, and that will lock in and they will hold. And that's how you change these straps on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.